ka Jingleit jong ka seng hinyo trap youth council ban Pynpra ki Ïing ki belong bi Ïing jong ki paiwer ki basong buhai shnong ha ka jaka ka badan lum survey ha ka step jong ka apply tarik ujumang arajar psaw kala sha khen ba ka don ka jing Pynkheiñ ka Ïing ha ka sarkar jala bat yamenta na kaliang ka sarkar kala da ban ujor ke jahar percha ek te ka seng badru ban register da ka case ka seng hinyo trap youth council ha ka te ka step kala lej da ko ka jing mot ka ta ban Pynpra no iki jing te hadien ba ki sham ba ka sarkar kamshim la le ai hadien chibnai duna bakala don gajing ekran badru gajing syam bakini ki brio ki basa ketika jaka ki dei ki blashuan boy shnong bi an bad ban snai ki Ïing haga jaka ka ba ilong sajmet lada perkhat ya ka kot ka khia jong ketika jaka bat ka bala ru banwan ra jingma ya ki shnong ki ba marjan ka HYC sengkmi hapo gajing lam upa roi ku person rem ku presiden kala hiar haringkat kit khot bat maria poi ki la be no iki brio ki basdang ki badang shong bi an ha ketika jaka da ka baliet iki lentang bat ki dieng ki blas sa prek da ki poi wer tang man yo pelong Ïing shong basa haba pentep ikani na kaliang deputy commissioner ka East Khasil SC Sadu laong baye kani la le da tanat Pulit hadien gajing syam bak HYC kala syam ya ka an hakikti la de wat hadien bakala dab bandan ka Jingleit jurep ikati ka jaka bat ki bor sarkar ka defense state office bat ka HYC dangshen na lor ka taw loong ka bor penya district kamla le AA namar ka jaka kam dei jong ka district ndei jong ka defense state office ba den dala dep pen biang ye ka kai phot jong ka jingwan jurep ban sala ban ra shike Ïing bishar ka ban salong ka ar pratrek jumang arajar saw bat ban pan bor na ka Ïing bishar ban le pat da kumno haga bay dei bat ka te ka jaka.
In fact, we got this information only at around 11 a.m. today through SP that this incident has happened. So then only we got this information. Otherwise, we were not informed and we were not part of this process. In fact, nobody is allowed to take law into their own hands. So on this particular issue, even including these members of the HYC and Defence Estate Office from Guwahati and Cantonment Board from Shillong, SP and our ADC Revenue, they jointly had an inspection of the site, I think exactly 2 or 3 weeks before, and they had met the people over there and they inspected and they have prepared a report on this, and we are in touch with the Defence Estate Office of Guwahati, where they are taking legal opinion about the what course of action has to be taken. And further, on 28th of this month there is a court hearing on this particular issue. So they are praying for the vacating this stay order on this particular matter. So we are giving them the information that we have and the joint inspection report that we are having with us and about various issues pertaining to this particular land. So basing on this, they will pray to the court about the action to be taken, and basing on the court order, action will be initiated. But anybody, we request also, we appeal to all one not to take law into their own hands. It, rather than solving the problem, will complicate the problem. So we are trying to fast track to find a solution for this problem. If this kind of incidents will delay it and further complicate it. So this is our take on this. So in fact, I spoke to SP and the case has been registered against the people who did this activity, and without exception, whoever takes law into their own hands, as per the provisions of the law, action will be initiated. So the case has been registered and appropriate action will be initiated. So as I said, we had this inspection. So as per our inspection report also, we are to approve that report. So about this 82 settlements and whatever the other business establishments we have recorded. But as the land doesn't belong to the district, so it belongs to the Defence Estate Office. So the action will be initiated from their office, and we will extend full support in terms of law and order, in terms of police and any other support that has to be extended. In fact, both are working on the same page. In fact, Defence Estate Office and our office continuously are in touch with us. In fact, today morning also we spoke to them, and 1 week back also we spoke to them, and they are taking their legal opinion about what course of action they have to take even before 28th of May. And in all probability, their legal opinion is yet to be finalized. So they are waiting for the hearing on 28, where they are asking for the eviction of the stay order, and where we will get some clarity on what course of action that we have to adopt after 28th of this month. We called them for a meeting, and their members were also present during the joint inspection. So that is very clear, and even we told them if anything, any communication or any doubts or concerns they have, they can always come to our office so that we can mutually resolve that problem. We are still open for them or for any group to come to us to express their concern so that we can address that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.